Acid means any substance which gives H plus ion in aqueous solution, that is called as acid. So let's consider your O. So the ionization of this HCl, it gives H plus. HCl is acid on the basis of your water molecule. So any substance which gives its H plus ion in aqueous solution, that is called as acid. So there are certain factors which affect the acidity. Okay, so there are factors which influence the acidity of an organic acid. We are now talking about the organic acid, and the strength organic acid or inorganic acid. Okay, so there are some factors which affect the acidity. The first one is strength of Ha bond. Strength of Ha bond. First factor is strength of Ha. Acidity increases. Okay, from this left to right, and pKa value also increases from left, then H2, then H2 is in A, electronegativity of A. So so this electronegativity of the atom bonded to the hydrogen, electronegativity of atom which is bonded to hydrogen, it affects the polarity of the bond. It affects the polarity of bond to the proton. When we are comparing the acidity of hydrides of first row of elements, so acidity increases in the order. So let's take the example of hydrides of first row element, that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. HF, SA. SA means strongest acid. SA. HF is the weak acid. So this is about the strength of the electronegativity of A minus or A. Then the next one is the factor stabilizing the A minus of Ha. Factor which stabilizing the A minus of Ha. So the first factor is hybridization, effect of hybridization. Third point is Ha. Factors stabilizing hybridization, effect of hybridization. So the hybridization of an carbon atom attached to the hydrogen is greatly influence the acidity of hydrogen. Let's consider the example of ethane and acetylene. Ethene and acetylene, alkane and alkyne. With more P character, the acidity of CH bond increases. With more P character, the acidity of CH bond increases. The acidity increases from alkane, that is CsP3 hybridized carbon with 25% S character and 75% S character, and 75% P character. So through alkene, the carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon with 33% S character and 67 P character. So let's consider this. So from that you can easily understand the effect, what is the effect of hybridization on your acidity of this ethane and acetylene. Ethane and acetylene. So let's take an example. Hydrogen. Ethene. Then acetylene. This Cb means conjugate base. So after when base abstract this proton from this ethane and acetylene, it convert to its conjugate base. So these are the conjugate bases of your ethane and acetylene, conjugate base, and it's so 3 hybridized 2, carbon is sp hybridized, percentage of S and P character, S character, S is 25%, 3%, percentage of acidity of alcohol ethanol having pK 16. Okay, so this ethanol, it is a weak acid as compared to acetic acid. Acetic acid, because acetic acid having pK 4.8, so lesser pK, the molecule that having less pK, that will be more acidic. So we have also compared the acidity of your ethane and acetylene. So acetylene having pK 25%, so the molecule which having lesser pK or less pK, that will be the stronger acid. So among these two, ethanol and your acetic acid, structure of ethanol is CH2 OH, ethanol, and COOH, acetic acid. So here this ethanol, it is a weaker acid as compared with the acetic acid having pK 4.8, because the resonance stabilization is not available in alkoxide. When this your ethanol loses its proton, the stabilization of this A minus is not there, stabilization of this alkoxide is not there. But here in acetic acid, it is stabilized by resonance, so this acetic acid, it is a stronger acid than your ethanol. So in carboxylate ion, the stabilization of that negative charge is there. Okay, so let me show you that how your acetic acid stabilize that carboxylate ion, and that effect is not available in alcohol. So we'll take the general example, that is OH, H2, so it gives alkoxide RO minus H, R, so this is general example of your acid, organic acid. Okay, so let's consider it react with water. So acid base reaction takes place, water takes this proton and generate carboxylate ion. Okay, so this is your carboxylate ion, negative charge on oxygen. Now this negative charge, it is stabilized by this carbonyl carb. This carbonyl group is electron withdrawing group, so this negative charge, it is stabilized by resonance due to this carbonyl carb. So negative charge will delocalize here, it form carbon oxygen double bond, this bond will break and the negative charge shift on this oxygen. So in this way the stabilization of negative charge by this carbonyl carbon, so this negative charge is stabilized by resonance. Negative charge shift on this minus I effect. Chlorine shows what? Which effect? Minus I effect. Hence it stabilize this anion. After ionization, you will get your carboxylate ion of this chloroacetic acid. So ClCH2COO minus anion. So it stabilize this chlorine having this minus I effect. So it stabilizes that ClCH2CO minus ion more effectively, while in acetic acid methyl group, this methyl group shows plus I effect. This methyl group shows I effect, plus I effect, that is electron donating inductive effect. Hence it destabilizes the anion, and it's destabilized the anion, that is CH3COO minus. So that is why the chloroacetic acid is 100 times stronger acid than acetic acid. So this is the effect of inductive effect on acidity of your organic acid. So among these two, your chloroacetic acid is 100 times stronger acid than acetic acid, because this in chloroacetic acid Cl having minus I effect, that is electron withdrawing inductive effect, because of this it stabilizes the anion, that is ClCH2 C double bond O minus. And while in acetic acid, this your methyl group, it shows plus I effect, that is electron donating inductive effect, and it destabilizes the anion, that is CH3 C double bond O minus. So because of this, your chloroacetic acid is 100 times stronger acid than your acetic acid, Okay. Any doubt regarding this? ओके. टाइम पण झाला ना? लेक्चर आहे दुसरं तुमचं? हॅलो. ओके. आणि उद्याचा काय शेड्यूल आहे उद्या? अजून आपले पर्वत सर नाही का? ठीक आहे. मग पर्वत सरांनी जर घेतलं नाही तर मी घेईल लेक्चर. ठीक आहे उद्या. ओके चालेल. नाव यू कॅन. येस. हां. काय युनिट टेस्टची हा त्यातून टाइम टेबल आला नाही आहे. पुढच्या वीकमध्ये होईल. अभ्यास करा. आणि ऑर्गॅनिकसाठी हा एकच युनिट असेल. MCQ एक्झाम असणार. अजून टाइम टेबल आला नाही. टाइम टेबल आगे फॉरवर्ड करतो तुम्हाला. नाही क्वेश्चन बँक कुठला रे तुला? क्वेश्चन बँक भेटणार का? अभ्यास कर. प्रेझेंटेशन तुम्ही प्रिपेअर करून ठेवा. PPT प्रिपेअर करा आणि तुमचं प्रेझेंट म्हणजे तयारी करून ठेवा. बरोबर. एक्झाम झाली की आपण मध्ये घेऊ आपण ते. तयारी करून ठेवायची. ठीक आहे. एक्झाम झाल्यावरच घेऊया आपण. हां. हो ते केलं ते केलं. नाही ना रोल नंबर नाही चेंज होणार. बरोबर तोच असणार. ठीक आहे चालेल.